This take and make kit is called Spirograph Flower Card. We 3D printed these spirographs, which we'll be using to make the card. You need some pens, markers, maybe even really sharpened crayons because they do have to fit through these little tiny holes here. And then we have 6 different beads, however many beads you want, and a piece of cardstock. So we're going to fold this cardstock in half. To make our card shape. You can use a marker to flatten the edge down. Then you're going to take your spirograph and decide where you want to make your flower petals. And you got to choose what colors you want. So I'm going to choose a blue and a red, and maybe even a green one. So I want a center flower. That's going to be my red one. So I'm going to put this here. You're going to pick one of these holes, press your pencil in there, and just go right around. You got to be careful to make sure you keep holding it in place and go around in a circle. It takes a little practice, but eventually you'll get the hang of it. And you just keep following that line. And eventually you'll get back to the beginning. You can check on what your flower looks like. And that looks pretty good to me. Then you can pick another spot, choose a different color. I'm going to choose a blue one and maybe put a little lower. And feel free to overlap them as you'd like. I'm going to use this middle one here. That was more of a circle, so you could, if you don't like the look of it, you could always add your own design to the middle. Like that. And then let's try another one up here. Each hole is going to give you a slightly different design. So it's kind of a fun card to make because you don't really know what it's going to turn out like at the end. Once you've made your flower petals, the next thing you'll need to do is draw a stem and some grass. And then you can write happy birthday at the top. Or whatever greeting you'd like to put at the top is fine. You can add on these pretty little beads, either using a hot glue gun or you could just use glue. It'll just take a little longer if you use regular glue as the center of the flower. You can add a bit of a background or a sky if you'd like. I just did it very lightly there. Then you can write something nice on the inside and give it to someone you care for to brighten their day.